Hello everyone. Today's topic determinants. This is the 12th standard Cbse topic. So already we have studied about the matrices, matrix, types of the matrices. The same thing we are going to continue over here. So what are the matrices exactly? Suppose that any two equations given, two linear equations given, simultaneous equations. I have written over here a1x plus b1y equal to c1 a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So it can be represented like this, a1 a2, this is the coefficient of x, this is the coefficient of y, and x y you can write like this, and then this is the constant value, right hand side value. So this is the way to express system of algebraic expressions, algebraic equations in the form of matrices. One condition you have studied in 10th standard, a system of linear equation has a unique solution if a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. It means what? If you multiply cross multiplication, so a1 b2 minus a2 b1 will not be equal to 0. It means what? It means the number a1 b2 minus a2 b1 represents uniqueness of solution. This is the unique solution which is associated with the matrix A, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, and this is called the determinant of A. We can write det A or determinants. We can take like this. This is the matrix a1 a2, a1 a1, a1 a2, a11, a1n, a21, a22, a2n. This is the matrix. So the same matrix you can write in the form of determinant. So if you are writing det of this matrix A, determinant of A, so this sign will be changed. This sign, okay, this matrix sign will be changed. It will be like mod sign, and a11, a12 dash dash a1n. All elements will be the same. So you can write like this, mod of A. That is the determinant of A we read, and we do not use the word mod of A. So for every square matrix of order n, we can associate a number, real or complex, called determinant of the square matrix A. Matrix A read as determinant of A and not modulus of A. That is already I have cleared. Only square matrices have determinants. Okay. Determinant of a matrix of order 1. Order 1, how will you write? A equal to determinant of, this is the matrix A equal to 3, 1 by 1. So its determinant will be, determinant of A will be equal to 3. If A equal to this, then its determinant will be A, and the determinant of this matrix will be A only. Means this sign will go away. Determinant of a matrix of order 2. So this is matrix. If you want to write determinant, so this symbol, this matrix symbol, remove this matrix symbol and put instead of this modulus symbol. Okay, so a1, a11, a22 cross multiplication. When you are a11, first you will multiply this a11, a22, and then you will have to put minus sign and then this value, product of these two values at these two elements. So I have given one example, a equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. So 2 2 is 4 minus, you have to write here minus and then multiply minus 3 into minus 1. So minus 3 into minus 1, 3, 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Determinant of a matrix of order 3. Okay, this is the determinant of A, a11, a12, a13, a21, a22. This is the elements. How to expand it? That is the important difference. See, I'm going to explain expansions along first row. Okay, you can expand it along the second row also. You can expand it along the third row also. You can expand it along the C1, with the column first. You can explain along second column. You can explain along the third column also. Any way you can do. So I'm going to explain here the first row. How will you do? First, what will you do? You take the minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power. I am going to take this term, this element a11. So this is what the value of I1, the value of J1. So you have to add these two values, 1 plus 1, I plus J, minus 1 raised to power I plus J. I plus J means 1 plus 1, and then this term you will write. If you see, I am going to take this term. So this term belongs to R1. and this term belongs to C1. So you have to cover R1 and you have to cover C1. Now remaining elements you have to copy over here. So remaining elements is what? A22, A23, A31, A33. Cover this. First row, first column you have to cover. Now you will get this one. Plus, now you have to put the plus sign and then again minus will come. Minus, then I am taking 1, 2. So you have to add 1 plus 2, I plus j, so 1 plus 2 minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2. And then take this element A12. After, see this A12 is what? This is the first row element and the second column element. So second row, second column and first row you have to cover. So you will get A21, A23, A31, A33. I have written over here in the form of determinant. Plus, again plus, then minus 1 raised to power. I am taking this A13. So 1 plus 3 will come and this element you have to write A13 and then this element belongs to R1 and C3. So cover R1 and C3. So you will get A21, A22, A21, A22, A31, A32. So just you have to copy. Now I have written one example. So we can take A equal to 1, 2, 4 minus 1, 3, 0, 4, 1, 0. So first you will take 1. So before 1 you will put minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1. So minus 1 raised to power 2, that is the 1 only. And if you are taking this element, so this belongs to R1 and this belongs to C1. So cover both the horizontal and vertical lines C1 and R1 and C1. So you will get 3 0 and 1 0. So cross multiplication 3 into 0 minus 0 into 1. Now minus will come. The reason is that this is the A12. So minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2. That is the minus 1 raised to power 3. So that is the minus 1. And this element you will take. This belongs to R1 and this belongs to C2. So cover it. R1 you have to cover and cover C2. So you will get minus 1 0. So minus 1 multiplied with 0. So you will, I have written over here. And then 4 into 0 minus 4 into 0. Plus now again minus 1 raised to power A1 3. So 3 plus 1 minus 1 raised to power 4. That is the plus 1. And I am taking this element now. So 4 and cover. This belongs to R1 and this belongs to C3. So cover C3 and R1. So you will get minus 1, 3, 4, 1. Minus 1 multiplied with 1, minus 1, minus 4 into 3, 12. So if you simplify this, you will get minus 52. Now it's very important to understand the difference between matrices and the determinants. I have written points about both matrix and determinants. Matrix cannot be reduced to a single number. Okay, you can't simplify this matrix, but determinants you can simplify. 4 into 1, 4, 3, 2, yeah, 6, 4 minus 6 equal to minus 3. Remember it, whenever you will multiply this, after this you have to put the minus sign only. Now second difference, in a matrix number of rows may not be equal to number of columns. Okay, number of columns, see, number of rows is what? 2, number of columns is what? 3. But in determinants, it's not like that. Number of rows must be equal to the number of columns. Okay, it means it's the squares. It is a kind of square determinants. I have put here matrix sign. It should be the determinant sign. By mistake, I have put here matrix sign. Difference or different matrix can be found by interchanging its row and column. Means in a matrix, you can change a row and column. Okay, there is no change in the value. The value of the determinants does not change or if rows and column are interchanged. Here you if suppose that in a matrix, again I am going to clear this. In a matrix, if you are interchanging row and column, you will get a different matrix. But in the determinants, if you will change, there is no change in the value. Means determinant does not change. The next point, multiplying a matrix, it's very important point. Multiplying a matrix K means some constant value. All of its elements are multiplied by K. Means if you want to multiply with 2 in this matrix, so each and every element will be multiplied. Okay, so see, A equal to given, so I want to get 4A. I want to calculate 4A. So 4 will be multiplied with each and every elements of this matrix. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. In determinants, it's not like that. For multiplying a determinant by elements of any of its row, means you can multiply in any one of the row or any one of the column. So look here, I have taken common 2 from the C1. Means if you want to multiply with any value in the determinant, you need to specify, you need to you need to tell in which row or in which column you want to multiply. So for that you need to mention somewhere like 2r1, means you are multiplying 2 with r1. Okay, 2c1, so you are multiplying with 2, we are multiplying 2 with c1. So here you can take common from c1. See, 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2, so 2 I have taken common. Okay, so common means what? This is the kind of multiplication only. So 2 divided by 2 you will get 1, 4 divided by 2 you will get 2. Say if you want to bring again its inside, so you will, this value you can multiply with 1 and 2, or you can multiply with 1 and 3. The second determinant you can write, if you want to multiply in r1, so it will be 2, 6, 2, 5. If you want to multiply into r2, so it will be 1, 3, 4, 10, like this. Thank you so much. And the 4.1 4.1 will explain you later. Thank you so much.